Good morning and welcome to Carpet Tiles1. My name is Vince Perry. I am the owner of Carpet Tiles1. The purpose of this video is to give you a vivid and motionful demonstration viewing of a hot pink needle punch super tufted 1 meter by 1 meter carpet tile. This is different to your standard version of the pink. This is what we call the super tufted hot pink needle punched 1 meter by 1 meter carpet tile, and this is one of the hardest, most durable fibers on the planet when it comes to carpet tiles. Needle punched is a coated fiber, and the nature of its stitching, if you feel it, it is soft, but it is still strong as ever, and it is 3 steps before a sponge scourer. So this will take trolleys, forklifts, and it's a perfect tile for the exhibition industry, also for retail showrooms, because of its strength. You can put it into shopping centres, corridors, restaurants, anywhere you like, but hot pink is a very, very unique colour. So if you want that in your penthouse, by all means put it in. The people in the exhibition industry that are used to the hire, right, actually will have longevity and hiring and rehiring out of this because of the strength. You can drive a forklift over it within reason, scissor lifts, it'll take a beating, and you'll see this grade of exhibition needle punch super tufted all around Australia. And the next most unique part of it all is it can sit flat very, very easily because it's recycled PVC backing. And if you see when it goes down, right, difficult to see that it is a carpet tile. In fact, I have put this the wrong way. The arrow's in the wrong direction. If I simply turn it, all in the one direction, you'll see it is difficult to note that it is carpet. The joints cannot be seen, only with great difficulty. So that's in the same direction, and you'll see that it looks like broadloom carpet. So fantastic for the hire industry, exhibitions, retail, high traffic shopping centres, high traffic restaurants, wherever you need a carpet tile with high traffic. There can be universities, there can be a multitude of places. 1 meter by 1 meter. Carpet Tiles1 is situated at 3 to 9 Cook Road, Marrickville. We ship nationally. Send us an email if you require shipping. We ship right across the country, and we are one of the most dominant supplies to the exhibition industry. Local pickup, 3 to 9 Cook Road, Marrickville. We're open Monday to Saturday from 7 AM till 5 PM. 02 9519 8785 or my mobile 0414 266 267. If you want a video chat on the product, call me with a video chat on WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a great day. If you require a sample, send an email and we'll send you a piece. Thank you very much.